2-port valve here. To do that, we can look, we can just disconnect this one from the power. We're going to take this off itself. What we're going to do instead of draining down the system, because it's a 3-storey building, is we're going to try and cause a vacuum within the system. Now, to do that, because it's a sealed system anyway, we can find these blower valves and we can release the water out of the system, causing a vacuum behind it. That's basically like putting a finger over the end of the straw, which holds the water in the system itself. So that's the plan, and I'm going to take this off. Hopefully this pipe will be able to move up so we can get the new body in there. If any water comes out, we've got the vacuum on standby, but also we're in a basement that is designed to flood and have water coming down to a sump pump in the corner. So let's get this done. So what that's doing is it's draining the water out of the system at the moment. What we're also going to do is just open this and allow that system to come out of this one. Whilst that's draining, I'm going to take off this casing here, which is literally a screw at the top. Remember, this needs to be disconnected before you do any of this. Make sure there's no power to it. To get this head off, you can actually see this screw here and then a screw there as well. What we do is we just loosen these off, and then the head should just pull off. And this is the body that we're going to be changing and putting a new head on as well. Right, so this is the new body part that we're going to be fitting in here. Basically all we're going to do is, you can see you've got an arrow on this body, and you can see the arrow on that body's upwards, so we're going to place it that way. What we're going to do is take off these nuts. So this is now stopped. We'll take that out. So that should have caused a vacuum in the system. I'm going to take these nuts off. I'm going to take them nuts off of there, and then when we take this off, hopefully we can get some play in this pipe to push it up, get that in there quickly, and then reconnect it without having to drain down the entire system. So what we're going to do is I'm going to loosen these off. I'll push that up, get out, and then what I want you to do is grab that.
Right, okay.
Take that out, and I'm going to wing this one in.
Okay, so you're going to pull it up.
So it needs to be pulled off, like up and out like that. Yeah? Okay.
So you're going to push it up.
Yeah.
I'm going to...
No, you're going to just take this out. So this out. So that itself will probably have to be pulled out like that.
Right, okay.
Yeah, on an angle. Yeah.
And then are you going to put it in?
I will slap this one back in.
Okay.
Yeah?
Pit stop crew.
Pit stop crew.
Just put these on so I don't get splashed in the face. It's because of contacts.
Okay.
My contacts.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't panic.
My swimming goggles.
You ready?
Yeah.
That's it, now jump it.
Nice.
Yeah. So as you can see, we've got this new one on. We're just going to now tighten this up to stop these from leaking, and then put the new head on. Job's a good one. and then basically all we're going to do is top the system back up. Until it gets to about just over 1 bar.